Welcome to the lecture of linear integrated circuit. So today's lecture is need of level shifter and types of level shifter. So first of all we will see what is the need of level shifter. So need of level shifter. So first point, that as we know op amp is direct coupled amplifier. That means the different stages are directly connected to each other, right? So what happens when we are amplifying AC signal? When we are amplifying AC signal, so along with the AC amplification, DC amplification also takes place. DC amplification also takes place. Now, understand one important concept, that we know that in our circuit the DC voltages are plus VCC and minus VE. These are the supply voltages, right? These are the supply voltages, and your output cannot go beyond this supply voltage. Your output voltage cannot be greater than this supply voltage. Okay, so as we are amplifying AC signal, but DC amplification also takes place. So it may happen that output goes beyond supply voltage. Output goes beyond supply voltage. And then what will happen if output goes beyond supply voltage? The output waveform gets clipped. Output waveform gets clipped because output cannot be greater than supply voltage. So output waveform gets clipped. So that's why we always want that DC level should be 0. DC level should be 0. Okay, once again I will repeat. As we know that op amp is a direct coupled amplifier, different stages are directly connected to each other. So whenever we are amplifying AC signal, so along with AC amplification, the DC level amplification also takes place. And your output cannot go beyond the supply voltage, but as DC amplification is also taking place, so it may happen that output goes beyond supply voltage and your output waveform gets clipped. So to avoid this, we always want that DC level should be near to 0 volt. It should be 0 volt only. Okay. Now we will see the first level shifter, typical level shifter using voltage divider. Using voltage divider. So we have one input. This input is coming from intermediate stage. We know that the block diagram of op amp, input stage, then intermediate stage. So this DC voltage is coming from the intermediate stage. Then this DC voltage we will give it to one transistor, and here we have one voltage divider. So R1, R2. Now this is the emitter terminal, and here we are taking the output. So this output we will give it to the output stage. This output we will give it to the output stage. Okay. Now this is the emitter voltage with respect to ground. Here is the emitter voltage with respect to ground. Okay. Now I can apply voltage divider here. So what will be V0? Here is the voltage VE, here is V0. So we have already studied the voltage divider rule. So V0 equal to same resistance, that means R2 divided by total resistance R1 plus R2 into total voltage. Total voltage here is VE. So this is our equation number 1. Okay. So from this you can also write VE equal to V0 upon R2 into R1 plus R2. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Now, so this is the emitter voltage VE with respect to ground. Okay, so here is the ground. So I will just apply one KVL, and here I will consider voltage VE with respect to ground. So what will be KVL equation in this small loop? So I have started from ground, so V in, then we have a transistor, base to emitter voltage will be there, so minus VBE minus VE equal to 0. This is the emitter voltage with respect to ground. This is the emitter, here is the emitter voltage with respect to ground. Okay. So what will be VE here? V in minus VBE. So substitute the value of VE from equation number 2. From equation number 2, substitute the value of VE. So V naught divided by R2, R1 plus R2 equal to V in minus VBE. So what will be V naught then? V naught equal to V in minus VBE times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, so this R2 will go in the numerator and this R1 plus R2 will come in the denominator. So this is the output expression of voltage divider. Okay, so see that कुछ हमारा DC लेवल रहेगा V in, वो यहाँ पे सब्सट्रैक्ट हो रहा, और यहाँ पे अगर आप हम फैक्टर देखेंगे R2 अपॉन R1 प्लस R2, दिस विल बी लेस देन 1, राइट. सो इस तरीके से हमारे DC लेवल क्या होगा, रिड्यूस होगा. अब दिस विल बी मोर क्लियर बाय वन एग्जांपल. ओके, चलो कंसीडर करो दिस सर्किट. सो क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट DC लेवल, कैलकुलेट आउटपुट वोल्टेज, और यू कैन से, और इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे बोल सकते हैं हम, फाइंड DC शिफ्ट प्रोवाइडेड बाय द सर्किट. कितने से DC लेवल रिड्यूस होगा वो चीज हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, so here is one circuit, here is let us say voltage 3 volt. तो ये 3 वोल्ट का DC शिफ्ट आया था हमको 2 स्टेजेस से पास होने के बाद. उसको हमने पास किए किससे, कौन सा सर्किट है ये, लेवल शिफ्टर नाम का सर्किट है. लेट अस से 5 किलो ओम हियर, 5 किलो ओम हियर, एंड हियर इज द आउटपुट. अब ये आउटपुट हम किसको देंगे, वी विल गिव दिस आउटपुट टू दी आउटपुट स्टेज. दिस इज द थर्ड ब्लॉक इन द ऑप एम्प, दिस लेवल शिफ्टर इज द थर्ड ब्लॉक इन द ऑप एम्प, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हमारा जो इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज से 3 वोल्ट आया था, ये यहाँ पे कितना आउटपुट वोल्टेज होगा जो कि हम आउटपुट स्टेज को देंगे. डेफिनेटली वी ऑलवेज वांट दैट दिस वोल्टेज शुड बी नियर टू 0 और दिस वोल्टेज शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड. ओके, चलो. सो जस्ट व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 फॉर्मूला इज आउटपुट इक्वल टू V in minus VBE times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So I will just write the formula and just I will calculate that value. So we know V naught equal to V in minus VBE R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Substitute the values. So V in is 3 volt, and if VB is not given, you should take 0.7 volt into R2 is 5 kilo ohm divided by 5 plus 5 kilo ohm. That means 10 kilo ohm. Kilo ohm cancel. 5 by 10, 1 by 2. And this is 3 minus 0.7, that means 2.3 into 5 divided by 10. So 3.3, 2.3 divided by 2. So its value is output equal to 1.15 volt. So please students understand the concept. हमारा DC लेवल 3 वोल्ट का था जिसको हमने इस सर्किट से पास किए, और उसके बाद हमारा DC लेवल आ गया 1.15 वोल्ट. सो वी हैव रिड्यूस्ड द DC लेवल. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किए, हमारा DC लेवल क्या कर दिए, रिड्यूस कर दिए. वी हैव रिड्यूस्ड अवर DC लेवल. सो बट दिस सर्किट हैज आल्सो लिमिटेशन. अगर आपको और DC लेवल रिड्यूस करना है तो आप क्या करेंगे, R2 को रिड्यूस करेंगे, राइट. Because if R2 is less, V naught will be less, that means DC level will be less. But what happens, the drawback is drawback of the circuit is, as R2 is reduced, then AC gain और AC एम्प्लीफिकेशन ऑल्सो गेट्स रिड्यूस्ड, बट जो कि हमको नहीं चाहिए. अगर आप R2 की और लेस वैल्यू लेंगे तो आपकी AC गेन भी रिड्यूस हो जाएगी, जो कि हमको नहीं चाहिए. सो दैट इज द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ दैट सर्किट. सो वी हैव सम मॉडिफाइड वर्जन ऑफ दैट सर्किट. सो अनदर वर्जन इज level shifter using. So now we are looking at the types. So we have one circuit called as level shifter using avalanche diode. यूजिंग एवेलेंचे डायोड. सो उसका भी सर्किट हम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. सो प्रीवियस सर्किट के जैसा ही है, बस एवेलेंचे डायोड यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. सो हियर इज अ वी इन, देन वी हैव द ट्रांजिस्टर, इट इज कनेक्टेड टू प्लस VCC. देन हियर वी आर यूजिंग Zener diode in mode. We will operate it in the avalanche breakdown. And here we are taking the output. Okay, so this is also this also gives us some good result. So this is also one of the level shifter. Then another level shifter is using VB multiplier. So here is a V in coming and it is given to the transistor. Then we have the combination of resistance, 3 resistances. And here we are taking the output. So ये कुछ अच्छे circuits है. That level voltage divider is a very simple circuit. Rather than that, we have some good circuit which can give us DC level near to 0 volt. And these are the resistance R1, R2, R3. Okay, so these are the types of level shifter. So this is the third type. The circuit name is VBE multiplier. Okay, thank you.